With thousands of courses available on Udemy, it can be challenging to know where to start. In this video, I'll share a few key tips to help you pick the right courses and get the most out of your learning experience. Why choosing the right Udemy course matters. So Udemy has grown to become one of the largest online learning platforms. It offers courses in nearly every topic that you can think of, from business to technology, personal development, and creative skills. The right course can be a game changer, helping you master a skill or gain knowledge that can lead to new opportunities. However, with so many options available, the risk of choosing a course that doesn't meet your expectations can be pretty high. So how do you avoid that? Let's break down some effective ways to find high quality courses on Udemy. Start with a specific search. When you open up Udemy, start with a specific topic that you're interested in. For example, let's say that you want to learn more about graphic design. Simply typing graphic design in the search bar will show you a list of courses in that area. To make the most of your time, what you want to do is search for specific skills or tools that you want to learn within that topic, like Photoshop for beginners or Adobe Illustrator basics. Having a specific course in mind helps you cut through the noise and focus on what matters most to you. Check course ratings and reviews. Now, one of the first things to look at when choosing a course is the star rating. So Udemy courses are rated by students, and these ratings are often a very reliable indicator of quality. For example, if a course has a 4.7 star rating or higher, it's generally going to be a good sign that past students found the course valuable. But ratings alone don't really tell the whole story on Udemy. The number of reviews also matters. A course with thousands of reviews is likely to provide a well-rounded learning experience, as there's a larger pool of students that have tested it out and found it helpful. So this combination, the high ratings and lots of ratings and reviews, usually signals that a course is both popular and effective. So let's go ahead and take a look at this course here. I went ahead and just typed in graphic design, Photoshop for beginners, and right off the bat, we have two courses coming in at 4.9 stars. Now, the first one has 273 ratings, while the second one has 401 ratings. So they both have a 4.9 star rating, but one of them has, almost twice as many reviews, which might signal that that could be a better course. I'm sure both of these courses are great, but that's just a great tip in order to pick the best course for you. Look at the instructor's reputation. The next step is to check out the instructor. Some instructors on Udemy are well known for their expertise in teaching style. For example, if you're looking into graphic design, you might come across courses by an instructor like Lindsay Marsh, who has a solid reputation in that field. Now, a well-known instructor with positive feedback can make all the difference in your learning experience. To check the instructor's reputation, click on their name to view their profile. Here, you're going to find information about their background, their expertise, and other courses that they've taught. An experienced, engaging instructor can make complex topics a lot easier to understand and keep you more motivated and engaged throughout the course. So let's go ahead and take a look at this second option here. We'll go ahead and click on Chris Parker. So if we come to the course here, we can click on Chris Parker right here. We can go ahead and take a look at his instructor profile. So he's got a 4.5 star rating, 17,000 reviews, 260,000 students, and 47 courses. To me, that sounds like a pretty knowledgeable instructor in my book. Review the last updated date. Now, one common pitfall with online courses is outdated content. Technology, for instance, evolves really quickly, and what was relevant a few years ago may no longer be helpful. That's why it's important to check the last updated date on Udemy courses, especially for technical or software-related topics. For example, if you're looking at Google Ads course or any type of advertising courses, you want to ensure that the content was updated recently, given that digital marketing strategies change frequently. A course last updated in 2021 might be missing some of the latest tools, features, or best practices, which could impact the value that you get from it. For skills that don't change as quickly, something like leadership or time management, a course that hasn't been updated in a few years might still be perfectly fine. Always consider how much the field has changed since the course was last updated. So if we come back to this original search here, and we'll go ahead and click on this course again here, we can go ahead and see the last time that it was updated. So if we look right here, it was last updated April 2023. Something like Photoshop, while it might have updates, a lot of the core features and tools and best practices will apply from its very first version to its current day version. Evaluate the course content and curriculum. curriculum. So before enrolling in a course, take a close look at the curriculum. Udemy lets you see an outline of the course, which can give you an idea of what topics are covered and see how in-depth each section goes. So let's say that you're interested in learning graphic design. You'll want to check if the course covers essential tools, design principles, and specific techniques that align with your goals. If you're aiming to become a pro at using Adobe Photoshop, make sure that there's a solid section on that. Having an overview of the course structure also lets you see if the course will cover everything that you need to learn or if it's missing some key areas. So we can go ahead and take a look at this same course that we've been taking a look at. So if we go ahead and expand this show more section, we can go ahead and see all the sections of everything that we'll learn. So again, this course is called 47 Graphic Design Projects for Photoshop Beginners. So this seems like it's going to be a great course on Photoshop specifically. If you wanted to learn something about Adobe Illustrator, this probably isn't the course for you. There might be a more general course or a more longer course where it goes over all of the Adobe products. Watch the course preview. So many Udemy courses offer a free preview of a few video lessons. Taking just a few minutes to watch this preview can give you a real good sense of the instructor's teaching style, the course pace, and it's just kind of overall vibe. Sometimes a course may look perfect on paper, but the instructor's delivery or the quality of the content doesn't quite click with you. Watching the preview allows you to decide if the course feels like a good fit for your learning style. Avoid outdated courses for fast-changing skills. So like we touched on earlier, not all courses on Udemy will be up to date, and for fast-paced fields, this can be a drawback. Let's go back to that Google Ads example. While you may find a course with great ratings and thousands of students inside of it, if it hasn't been updated in years, then the information could be outdated and pretty much useless. Google Ads is a tool that evolves quickly, so outdated content may not be as useful if you want to learn current best practices. For skills like software development, digital marketing, or anything tech-related, prioritizing recent courses is usually worth it. If the course's last update is over a year old, you may want to keep looking. Use filters to refine your search. So Udemy's filters options can make a big difference in narrowing down your choices. So once you've searched for a topic, you can use filters on the left-hand side of the page to narrow down courses by criteria like rating, language, video duration, and course level, whether that be a beginner course, an intermediate course, or an advanced course. You can also sort the list of results by most relevant, highest rated, or newest. So these filters are especially helpful if you're having trouble deciding amongst several good options. They let you customize your search results based on what's most important to you, ensuring that you find the perfect course faster. So let's go ahead and come back to the search results here. And over here on the left-hand side, we have those filters that we talked about. So you can go ahead and toggle the filters on and off right here. So you can go ahead and search by rating. So if you only wanted to see courses 4.5 and up, you can go ahead and check that box. You can also check by language, and they have tons of different languages to choose from. Different types of hands-on practice. So if you're looking for quizzes or coding exercises or practice tests, you can go ahead and choose that here. And then there's also video duration. So you can choose between 0 to 1 hours, 1 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 17, or 17 plus hours. You can also come in here and get more specific with the topic. So for instance, we were kind of talking about graphic design and Photoshop. We go ahead and check this to ensure that Photoshop is also included in there. Like we talked about earlier though, if you wanted to learn maybe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator, you'd want to make sure that you check both of those boxes there. And then up here at the top, this is where we can go ahead and change the sort method. So either by most relevant, most reviewed, highest rated, or newest. Consider Udemy for business options. If you're overwhelmed by the idea of choosing just one course, Udemy for Business might be a good option for you. With Udemy for Business, you get access to thousands of courses in Udemy's catalog for a flat monthly fee. So this can be an ideal for a solution if you want to explore multiple topics or develop skills across various areas without paying for each course individually. Some organizations also partner with Udemy to provide custom learning paths for employees. For example, GeekPack offers a Udemy for Business plan that includes hand-picked courses and a structured learning experience. This way, you don't have to worry about selecting the right courses, as the platform curates them based on your needs. Explore learning paths and course bundles. Udemy sometimes offers course bundles or learning paths which combine related courses into one package. These bundles can be a great way to go deeper into a topic or to learn a skill from multiple perspectives. For example, if you're interested in digital marketing marketing, a course bundle might include everything from Google Analytics to social media strategy and even email marketing. This can give you a more comprehensive skill set without needing to purchase multiple individual courses. Read reviews carefully for honest feedback. Before making a decision, spend a few minutes reading the reviews. While the star rating can give you a quick idea of the course's quality, reviews often provide specific insights about what worked and what didn't for previous students. Look for detailed reviews that mention the strengths and weaknesses of the course. Students often share feedback on the clarity of explanations and the depth of the content, and how well the instructor engaged with students. This feedback can be extremely valuable, helping you decide if the course aligns with your expectations. How to avoid common mistakes when choosing Udemy courses. Sometimes, even with high ratings and great reviews, a course might not be what you're looking for. To avoid common mistakes, ask yourself a few questions before you enroll. Is this course up to date? For tech topics, outdated information can be a huge waste of time and money. Does the instructor cover your specific learning goals? If you have a particular skill or area in mind, be sure to check the curriculum to ensure that it's included. Is the course too long or too short? Length isn't everything, but it's definitely worth considering if you're looking for a quick overview versus an in-depth dive. So by asking these questions, you can better assess if the course is going to be a good fit for you or not. So Udemy is a fantastic platform with a huge variety of courses to choose from, but finding the best course requires some careful consideration. Start by searching for specific topics, checking ratings, and reading reviews. Make sure that the course content is up to date if you're learning about fast-changing subjects, and don't forget to watch the previews to see if the instructor's style resonates with you. So if you're ready to get started with Udemy today, you'll find a link down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means that we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. These commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we provide honest reviews and breakdowns of online courses, covering everything from course content and pricing to real student success stories. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.